Alrighty. We will go back and forth. I will do the first line, you do the second paragraph, I do the next one, you do the next one, okay?
Okay.
Many outsiders assume the Amish reject all new technology, but that's not true.
One Amish man in Lancaster Country Park checks his voicemail about 4 times a day. His shop is equipped with propane-powered forklift, hydraulic-powered saws, cordless drills, and refrigerator tank where milk from Marico's is stored. Dairy cows is stored.
Right. So very first one here, Lancaster County, not country, county. And this is refrigerated, not refrigerator. And this is dairy. Dairy is different from diary.
Dairy is like the milk and cheese and...
Yeah. So we have maybe 3 words that might confuse. We have a diary, we have dairy, and we have 3 words that may cause some confusion for all of you. Interesting, huh? This is how we learn English, with patience and slowly. Diary, dairy, diarrhea. You want to try?
Okay, the first one is dairy, diary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Diary, dairy, diarrhea.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?